Kaden, what are you doing today?
I'm going to be a ninja.
Show him a move. What'd you get today in karate? What'd you get today in karate? I can't see you. Don't come so close. What'd you get? Tell me.
I'm going to put down my goodie bag. I distracted. I got the sign.
Show me the animals. No, show me the animals. Not be the animal. What do we got?
These are the... Oh, we have a lionfish. And
Mufasa.
now today we can look at... Hey, come. Hey, Hey, YouTube Striper. Come to the bathroom.
Whoa, can't see him.
Come to the bathroom, Striper.
No, it's not. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It's not organized right now.
Yeah. Then can we just... I'm gonna get...
Go get it. I mean her. Miley. Why is my lighting so terrible right now? Sorry, guys.
Where's Miley?
Oh, she's in the back bathroom.
She's in the back bathroom?
Yep.
Older.
My goodness, why is this lighting so terrible?
Little kitty.
Okay, you can in a minute. Sorry for my laundry room, guys. We're reorganizing the laundry room. This is a 44-gallon breeder. There's Mufasa. There's a good vision of him.
Turn around.
Ooh,
Mommy, turn
Mufasa,
around.
the lionfish.
Hey, turn
Ooh, very
Turn
spooky.
around. Hey, Mommy, I got the baby cat.
Spooky.
Hey, the baby cat. Hey, Mommy, I got the baby cat.
This is Miley May. We're fostering her. She's a couple weeks old. We gotta feed her bottle soon. Are you hungry, Miley May? Yeah. Kaden, say meow.
Meow.
No, you ask her to, remember?
Say meow. Say meow. Say meow.
She's like the frog on WB.
Say meow. Say meow.
She literally is like the frog on WB.
See?
Stop. This is the cow. Oh, there it goes. Meow. Say meow. Get her, baby.
Say meow. Say meow. Say meow.
Audrey, what do you think? Who's on your shirt?
Stitch. Stitch.
Really? Is it really Stitch? I don't know if it's Stitch.
That is. It is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
That's not Stitch.
What color is Stitch?
What color is Stitch, Audrey?
Don't know. Blue. Blue.
Audrey, will you go show them the... You want to show them the minnows? Show them the minnows. They're over there.
These are the minnows.
Just little minnows swimming everywhere because it brings a lot of movement, and I like the light. This is our, Avatar SpongeBob tank. Totally spooky.
The cat's gonna stay on the couch, Mommy. Okay?
Yep.
No, Winnie.
What's a Millie doing today? What's a Millie doing today? Anybody want to see him eat? Let's get some crickets. Crickets. Audrey. Hey. Kaden, can you give her the kitty? Remember, we're taking a video, so we don't need to scream.
But for 1 hour, okay?
Only 1 hour. Only 1 hour, Audrey. Only 1 hour. Hi, Millie. What's up? What you doing today, my friend? Soon I need to change his floor bed. Really need to do that soon.
What?
Maybe we can show how to do it. Right, Emily? What do you think? What do you think, bruh? Doesn't look like he's very happy about it.
It's 1 hour. It's been 1 hour.
All right, let's get some crickets.
Give me the cat.
Anybody alive in here? Ooh, I see some creatures stirring. Spooky. Very spooky. Here we go. Let's see if we can get it right in position. There we go. Perfect. Whoa, spooky. The cricket-eating chameleon. Oh, by the way, guys, a milli is named after the Lil Wayne song, a million here, a million there. Because the kids think chameleons are called millions. So we were going to name him Kermit originally, and we decided to name him Millie. Right, Millie? You're real hip, right? Was that a good dinner, Millie? Was that a good dinner? Your eyes are so creepy. Oh, he looks like he's gonna jump. He's looking for more prey is what he's doing. They're so cute when they're babies because they always try to find the next vine, and they're like stumbling around and moving their hands all over the place. And he used to stand up in my hand.
I tried smiling.
Let's see here. Yeah, you can see him in just a minute. He likes going in front of the fish tanks. Oh, he's trying to climb up. There he goes. There he's standing on my hand, just like I was talking about. You want to walk on the spooky?
The spooky.
Spooky.
It starts with an S.
Go on, Emily. You can do it.
Does it start with
Be careful, Audrey. Don't grab him like that. Aw, he's clawing on the glass. He wants to make friends. Oh no, buddy.
What?
Here, Audrey. No. Okay, I wanted to put him on your head.
Can you put him on my head?
He likes Mama, so he doesn't like to go to anybody else.
Can I get...
Yeah, I'll put him on Caden's head then. He's not going to your finger. He likes hair.
I want him on my finger.
We're making a video, Audrey. Please don't. Please don't. Oh, toddler drama. We'll do it in just a second, Audrey. He just looks so cute on the hair. He's like the one from Rapunzel because he loves climbing hair. All right. Here, Audrey. Here you go. Here, let me get him to you. Go on, buddy. You can do it. You don't always have to be with Mommy. You don't always have to be with Mommy. Come on, dude. I'm going to have to put the phone down for a second.
Yeah.
There we go. He's going to... Be careful. Make sure you turn your face because the other day he climbed up my face and it hurt really bad because his claws are getting bigger. And I don't want him to scratch your face. My face actually got really itchy after that. I was really worried, but everything got better the next day. Yeah. You should put your Rapunzel costume on, Audrey, and let him crawl up your hair. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll make a video about that tomorrow. He looks just like Pascal.
Hey, Mommy,
What?
I really wanted to make a video about me.
Okay, well, that's fine. Hold on.
Can I do? I'm going to show the subscribers.
Look. There he is. There's Emily, and there's you as Rapunzel.
I'm showing that.
You want to show him?
Hey,
Hold on. That's not like you can't do that video.
That's you, Millie.
Oh, he's trying to get it.
Why I can't be in
Look, Emily. Look, Emily. It's you. Oh, he's trying to get him. He's trying to get him. He's trying to get him.
No, he's not.
Oh, he found his mama again. Oh.
I have on my finger.
Hold on. That is so... Hold on.